This schematic represents the electrical system during normal flight, with both generator buses powered by the engine-driven generators. In addition to the engine-driven generators, the APU-driven generator or the ground power unit can power the generator buses. You should observe, as we introduce APU and ground power, that the electrical system functions in the same manner regardless of the source of AC power. The APU drives the APU generator at a constant speed. The APU GCU provides excitation, protection, and control for the APU generator, and it operates in exactly the same manner as the engine generator GCUs. It opens and closes the APU field relay under the same conditions. Now, touch the APU GCU to close the APU field relay. The APU generator powers the APU tie bus. The APU generator can power the generator buses through the APU tie bus if the APU generator breakers are closed. Now touch APU generator breaker 2 to close it. Notice that when APU generator breaker 2 closed, engine generator breaker 2 opened. The 737 electrical system is a non-paralleling system, which allows only one power source to a generator bus at any given time. Oncoming power is always checked for correct voltage, phase, and frequency. If oncoming power is correct, the existing power source is disconnected automatically before the oncoming power source is connected. This feature is known as break before make. Now touch APU generator breaker 1 to close it. Notice that break before make has occurred again. Generator breaker 1 opened before APU generator breaker 1 closed. The APU generator can power either or both generator buses when the airplane is on the ground. It can power either generator bus, but not both when in flight. However, if takeoff is made with the APU powering both generator buses, that condition will remain until one side is depowered. Ground power can also power both generator buses. Now touch the ground power receptacle to connect operating ground power to the airplane. Notice that whenever ground power is both connected and operating, it powers the external AC bus. Since the external AC bus powers the fuel gauges and fueling panel, fueling can take place whenever ground power is connected and operating, without powering any other airplane electrical systems. The bus protection panel allows ground power to power the airplane electrical system only if ground power is of the proper frequency, phase, and voltage. Ground power can power both generator buses through the ground power tie bus if both ground power relays are closed. Both ground power relays are controlled by the ground power switch. Now touch either ground power relay to power the electrical system using ground power. Notice that break before make has taken place again. The APU generator breakers opened before the ground power relays closed. As you have seen, the electrical system functions the same, regardless of the AC power source, with the exception of the external AC bus, which is powered only when ground power is connected and operating.